A Snohomish County family is taking on Tesla in court after losing their son in a crash involving the car's Autopilot feature. The family tells KOMO they filed the lawsuit to warn others about the potentially deadly consequences of using that feature. KOMO's Lynn Wynn spoke with the victim's family and their attorney and joins us live tonight in Seattle. Lynn?
Preston, Jeffrey Nissen Jr. was riding his motorcycle in Snohomish County in 2024 when a Tesla that was on autopilot ran into him, crushing him underneath his motorcycle. His family's attorney says that the autopilot feature didn't even see him there.
I think that car's a death trap and it shouldn't be on the road.
In April of 2024, 28-year-old Jeffrey Nissen Jr. was in the midst of planning a wedding with his fiancée and had plans of starting his own family until his life was tragically cut short as he was riding his motorcycle on State Route 522 in Snohomish. According to the initial complaint, a Tesla on autopilot did not detect the change in traffic or the motorcycle and drove into Nissen, crushing him underneath his bike.
I want people to know about this car because if I didn't say something and someone else died over this, it would be a real tragedy because I wouldn't want someone else to lose a family member like we did.
The Nissen family surprised to learn this is not the first time something like this has happened. In a lawsuit accusing Tesla of continuing to release its autopilot feature despite the known safety risks.
And that's the way they're marketed. This is not ready for prime time, okay? They don't have all the glitches out, and we're the test subjects. People on the road are the test subjects, and it's got to stop.
Last year, the California DMV found Tesla violated state law by using misleading terms like autopilot and full self-driving capability in their marketing. Seattle University law professor Steve Tapia is not involved in this case, but tells us he's seen a number of similar lawsuits filed against Tesla across the country.
When you see a pattern like this, and especially when it's involving products, it's hard to say that the manufacturer is not liable. And ultimately, none of this would be happening if it didn't have the autopilot feature.
Nissen's family hoping others can learn from what happened to their son and help stop this from continuing to happen.
I'd rather have Jeffrey back than have all the money in the world, because nothing can bring him back now, and we miss him.
And according to the family's attorney, Tesla has not yet responded to the lawsuit. The driver behind the wheel is also named in that lawsuit. After the initial crash, that driver was arrested, but at last check, there have been no charges filed criminal charges filed in this case. Preston?
Well, Lynn, you mentioned other similar lawsuits. Do we know the outcome of any of those cases?
So we know of at least one. Last year, a jury in Florida did award victims' families involved in a fatal crash involving Tesla's autopilot feature more than $240 million in damages. And experts tell us that that case and the precedent set there could be referenced in other cases moving forward, including this one. We'll send it back to you.
And thank you.